Hey guys, welcome to Android How To, and today we are going to learn how to load an image from the internet using a URL and load it into our image view. So let's start with the layout part. So this is the layout part. I have a linear layout inside which I have placed an edit text. Okay, this is the edit text, and we have a button over here and an image view. Now we are not going to talk about the edit text, neither the button, because that's going to be another video that's going to come out soon. So this time we are concerned only about this image view with the ID IV. So I've given it an ID IV, which we'll need later to reference it. Now let's go to the graphical layout and see how it looks like. So this is the edit text button. We are not concerned about it, but this highlighted part is the image view which we need. Now let's go to main activity.java. Go to the onCreate bundle, which is the first thing you will see. Now if you don't know where the main activity.java is, go to source, this, and this is main activity.java. Okay, once you do that, you have to go to the onCreate bundle and write this statement, that is image view, a variable name, so give it any name you like, and then image view, find view by id, r.id dot the id you gave in the XML file. So in the XML file I call the image view as IV, and I use the same ID here. So now on, the IV image view will be called as image. Now to get the image from the internet and place it into this view, we need an additional library called Picasso. So this thing, only this part of the video will be done differently for Android Studio as well as Eclipse. I'm presently using Eclipse, and because it runs faster on my PC. Anyways, you can use any one of them, and it's slightly different for Android Studio users, and I've mentioned that in the description. Eclipse user, just follow me. So I put a link in the description, both of them, both of you people who are using Android Studio and Eclipse, just follow this. Okay, I put in a link in the description that says Picasso something, and you click on it, you'll be directed to here. Go here, download this, click this button, and it will download something like this, Picasso.2.5.2. Now either drag and drop or cut and paste this thing into your Android libraries folder. Okay, you see it, right? Just paste it there, copy file, okay, and you see that. Now after pasting it, you can be able to use this library in your application, and let's do that. Now if you write Picasso dot with oh god, just a second until everything sets up right. Okay, we are back. Okay, now Picasso dot with context dot load, and here is where we put our URL. Dot into here is where we put the name of the image view. So I told you that we will call our image view image from now on, so I put an image. Now I have to put an image URL here and also context here. So for context I'm going to use this, and for URL I'm going to go to the browser, and let's load this image into our app. So copy image address and paste it over here. So you have got debug.png with this URL loaded and placed into this image. So the syntax is easy to understand also. Now if you run the program does not show any errors, so you might think that now I shall go run the program, but it will never load the image from the web. For that you need to do one more thing. Go to your manifest file, that is this. Okay, go to your manifest file. So in the manifest file you have to write a new permission, that is uses permission android name android.permission.INTERNET, and I put it in the description. You can also copy and paste it from there. Once you do this, the app tells the Android ecosystem that it needs to connect to the internet. When you download something from Play Store, you might have already seen that there are a lot of things that pop up in the name of permissions, and this over there was one such permission. So now let's just run the application. There you go. Now we are running the application, saving it and trying to run the application. So let's wait for it to launch, and I'll be showing you my device. This is my device ready to load the application. So we'll just wait for it to launch the image application. Okay, now it says it's refreshing external folders and launching image. It's installing the application into my device, as you see here, and then go to my device and you'll see an application launcher. It is trying to load the application in the image from the internet, and there you go, you have the image on your device. Now it depends on resolution and size as to how much time it takes to load, but that's not a concern. You succeeded. Now in future video I'll be showing you as to how to put a link in this field and hit load image and load that image, so that you can load any image, literally any image, if you have its URL. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you understood what I was trying to convey, and thank you.